Hey everyone, welcome back. Instagram has introduced a brand new feature called Profile Banners, and it's a great way to customize your profile and show more about yourself. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, open Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on Edit Profile. Inside here, look for the option called Banners and tap on it. You'll now see different types of banners you can add. You can link to other meta profiles like Facebook or WhatsApp, add a song to your profile, or choose a fill-in-the-blank banner. Let's go ahead and select the fill-in-the-blank option. Here, Instagram gives you prompts like current obsession, dream destination, what you're watching, or book you're reading. You can tap on the prompt to change it if you want. Then simply type your answer. Once you're done, tap Save. Now go back to your profile and you'll see your banner right below your bio. If you want to edit or remove it, just tap on the banner anytime. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom banner to your Instagram profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.